Hello guys, welcome to another trading strategy. So today's strategy is going to be a boomerang crash scalping strategy. And I'm going to be talking about how you can use the strategy and the settings for the strategy and all the index you are going to be trading with this strategy. Okay, so for you to trade with this strategy, you only need to trade with few index, which means that you are all going to be trading all the boom 1000 index. So you can trade on the 1000 index, but on crash you can only trade crash 1000 index. All the remaining crash you don't trade this with this strategy. Okay, so keep that in mind when you are using this strategy. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so with that being said, let's proceed with this strategy. Now the first thing we are going to be doing is to talk about settings for the strategy, then we dive into how the strategy works. So what you are going to do is just click on this icon you are seeing at the top. So when you click on it, it's going to direct it to where you're going to add all your indicator up. And the first indicator is going to be the moving average. So how do we add this moving average up? We click on this F icon here, we search for moving average, and this is the parameters. And the period is 25, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close, and for the style use any color of your choice and click on save. So that is the first settings we need for this strategy. Now moving on to the next one, which is going to be the average directional index, which is the ADX. So how do we at the top? We click on this F icon again, we search for ADX, and this is the parameters. Now the period is 16. Now for the levels, we need the 85, 15, 10, and the 90 levels, of course using the color of your choice. Now for the style, we only need the minus D1. The remaining you set it as a background color, then click on save. So that is the next indicator we need for this strategy. Now to the last but not the least indicator, which is going to be the Ichimoku. At the top, we click on this indicator window 1 F plus. We search for Ichimoku, and this is the parameters. Now the Tekishin is 9, the Kijushin is 26, the Spam is 52. Now we only need the Tekishin and the Kijushin style, of course using the color of your choice, and click on save. So that is all we need for this strategy. So how does this strategy now works? So to do this strategy, this is what we are going to do. Now first thing we are anticipating when we are taking a trade with this strategy is that we want to see where there is a touch between the lines, and we are talking about the ADX line, which is the purple line. So we want it to be at the 15 levels. I'm talking about this purple line of this ADX right here. So this is the area I'm talking about. Now from this area you can see two things. Now we can see that we see a cross between the Ichimoku and the ADX line, which happens around this area. So everything happens right here. So we want to see when the Ichimoku cross above the ADX line. That is when we are going to be looking for a buy opportunities. Now after we confirm that there's a cross above the ADX line at the 10 levels or the 15 levels, but most important is the 10 levels, or sometimes it may be outside the 10 levels, which happens like this one right here. It's outside the 10 levels. Now after we confirm this, then the next thing we do is to look for a trade on our main chart. Now to take a trade, we want to see that the Ichimoku line cross each other. That is very, very important. Sorry guys, so we want to see that the Ichimoku cross each other. After a cross above the ADX, we want to see cross each other again. Then after we confirm that it cross each other, then this is where we are going to be now looking for a trade with the candle. So when the cross happens between the Ichimoku, we should already confirm that the price has already crossed above the moving average as well. So when the cross happens, which happens around this area, so let me use this to mark it out. So cross around this area with this candle right here. So after this candle, then we wait for another candle to open, and that is this candle right here. So we enter with this candle right here, and we target 23 candles, and we close our position. So that is how we trade with this strategy. I'm going to explain this again. Now when you come to the chart, anytime you come to the chart, first thing you are looking for is the ADX. Is the ADX touch the 15 levels? After touching the 15 levels, we are looking for the Ichimoku to cross above the ADX with the red line. After the red line cross above the ADX, then the next thing we wait for is for the red line to also cross above the blue line of the Ichimoku. So we want to see the Ichimoku cross each other. Now after they cross each other, then we are looking for a candle that was responsible for the crosses, which is this candle right here. This candle you are looking at. So after this candle right here, then the next thing we do is to wait for another candle to open, and then we enter our trade right at that candle. So that is how we trade using this strategy. So I'm going to show you guys another example here on crash. On crash from boom 1000. Sorry. So what we are looking for is the ADX to be at the 90 levels, which happens right here. After it at the 90 levels, we want to see that the Ichimoku line, which is the red line, cross up below it. Yes, cross below it, which happens right here. So after crossing below it, then the next thing we do is to wait for it to cross the wait for the Ichimoku to cross each other, which happens right at this area. After crossing, we are now going to look out for the candle that was able to cross, which is this candle right here, So after this candle, then we enter our trade. Immediately the candle closed. So let me zoom so you guys can see it more clearly. So this is where it breaks with this candle right here. Now this is the candle. Now after the candle close, we enter right at this candle right here, and we target 20 to 30 candles. Now you can see there's a spike right here, but this spike does not come to our entries or stop us out from the market. So we are still going to be able to take all our candles right there. So that's how we trade based on this strategy. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, and it's an important strategy. You guys should be aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.